God, I'm soaked. I am soaked.
Tom Stacey.
Well, hey everybody. I'm down here at Branson's and I'm having a go on this bad boy. So, I rode down to Branson's and the MT-01 and I got absolutely drenched. I'm still drenched. I'm like a big sponge at the moment. So I've got about 40 minutes, half an hour on this bad boy. It's in tour mode. I'm not going to fiddle with any of the electrics. I just want to get a feel for it. That sounds good. Didn't say it was going to rain. Oh, that's the horn. Oh my god, there's so many buttons. Where's the indicator? That's the indicator. But I love that screen. That screen looks fantastic. And the position, this riding position is, oh, it is awesome. Oh, I've just caught up with another test rider. But yeah, I've got my feet flat on the floor, my knees bent. That's on the lower seat setting now. Got 15,000 buttons to get used to. And, oh, cruise control. Woo! This one's got electronic suspension on it as well. And this is the manual version, not the Decitor or DCT. I don't know where. Oh, button again, horn. I'm trying to get on the A303 and have a little blast up and down it, see what that feels like. This is a 2024 one. I've got to watch it because the tyres are all brand new. Keep hitting the horn because it's flipping indicators in the Honda position, not the Yamaha position. Sounds pretty good. Oh, don't rain again like it did earlier, please. I literally got down it on the A303. It absolutely biblical torrential rain. No word of a lie. My jacket gave up and I've only got my jeans on, so I'm soaking wet. Oh, here it comes again. Look at this weather. This is this is going to just end up not being able to see anything. It's got a beautiful pull in the engine, but here it comes again. God, it's terrible. It's let's have a wave. A feel for what it's going to be like in the rain, because if I get one of these, it's going to be my everyday bike. And the Yamaha can become my plaything. I mean, yeah, I like that. That's stunning. Oh, here we come. Yeah, thanks, rain. Oh, Jesus Christ. Sorry if you can't actually see anything. Oh, Jesus. The sun was out a minute ago. I thought, oh, that's alright. I'll warm up a little bit in the sunshine. I am wet through to my pantyhose. So I'm wet anyway. Luckily, it's not freezing cold. Oh, yeah. So there's loads of different rider modes on this as well. I can't do all of this on this because it's just a quick ride. I'm just getting a feel for it. Feels plenty fast enough. I am going to take it very easy. Oh man alive! Right, let's get it down to the bit better roads. Oh yeah, the brakes feel good. I'm really worried about the wheel tyres because he said they're brand new. Oh, so hard. Oh my god, this is ridiculous. Oh, but no. I really wish I'd dressed more for the occasion. Man alive! The world really didn't want me at test ride today. I think it was down here. I really should have thought about this, shouldn't I, before I took the bike out? Well, I could have plugged my phone in. I feel quite protected from the screen. Oh yeah, a nice little bubble there. Throttle super smooth. This is a 24, and so it's brand new. I've got to make sure I remember coming past this place. Do I remember coming past this place? I think so. Lost in Yeovil. The camera's still working. I have no idea what the sound's going to come out like because everything's drenched. Everything, everywhere's wet. Wetter than an otter's pocket. Yeah, this is a ride all day bike, isn't it? This just feels really good. This is the A303, I found it, woohoo! So I'm just going to do a little light up and down here just to get myself even more freezing cold and wet because I'm crazy. What is this person doing? You got to go a bit faster than that, love. Otherwise we're never going to get on. Come on, it's not that scary. Oh, this is a nice bike. This weather. Oh. It is not fun. Looking forward to a nice shower when I get home. Lovely little test ride, I think, and I'm really impressed with this. Just wish the weather was a bit better to get a good proper feel for it, but I suppose if the bike feels good in the rain, then I think I'm pretty safe to say it'll feel pretty good in the dry. It just sounds thick, but yeah, that's my reasoning. Is it actually stopping raining? Are we going to get a bit of relentless off the rain? I love that engine. Oh yeah, that does. I like that. Do like that. Super smooth, just linear all the way through. And it sounds good, which is what we want. Oh, I didn't try this out, did I? Cruise control! Woohoo! Bit late. Oh well. Cancel that. Oh, that's what I meant to try out. Yeah, it feels pretty good. This is a nice long sweeping bend and Like I said, in any other day I'd fly around it, but right now I'm gingerly going around it. And I think I need to convert this motorbike into an arc. Oh look, blue sky! Don't scare it off. I've got to give it back now anyway. I really am being too careful, but I think we've got a little bit of a long bit here. Let's try and... cruise control! Ba -ba 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 -ba. Yeah, it feels good. I've never used cruise control on a motorbike before. Yeah, I could get used to that. Nice. Right, where do we go now? Right guys, I am going to enjoy the rest of the ride on this. I hope you've enjoyed this little video. I'm sorry it's not the best review of the Africa Twin 1100. This was more for me than anything, and I just wanted to document the ride and see what you guys thought. If this is your first time watching the channel, please give me a subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Hopefully I can get another ride on one of these in a bit better weather, because I really like this. So we'll just have to wait and see what happens. Thanks guys, I'll see you next time.